Y'all, this came out so bomb.
My body, it's your party, baby. Nobody.
So welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I'm Tier, and this video today is going to be about perm set on dry stretched hair. I typically do it on dry hair because when it's on wet hair, it is super defined, but it's a lot of shrinkage, just like really short Shirley Temple curl. So I was looking for more of a full look with more length to it, and I can only achieve this when it's on dry hair. Usually I let it air dry. Sometimes I blow dry it out a bit, but if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. So I grabbed my teal color perm rod, some scrunchies, a rat tail comb, and the Texture ID foam. The reason why I use the foam for this style is because not only does it give me definition, but it also gives me volume as well, and it cuts down the drying time. It dries a bit quicker as opposed to using a gel or some type of setting lotion. As far as detangling tool, you can use anything that's going to get your hair smooth and make sure that it's prepped for the perm rod. So rat tail comb, a Denman brush, detangling brush, a regular brush. I kind of go between 3 different detangling tools just to make sure that my hair is super smooth. So I make sure the ends of my hair is tucked before I continue to roll the perm rod up my hair. Once I get halfway to my length, I go ahead and wrap it around my hair as I'm rolling it upwards. This is going to make sure that it pulls the hair in place and it's kind of tight, so you know your hair is not going anywhere.
Nobody's invited but your baby. I can do it slow now. Tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down. You should turn it off. Cause tonight is going down. Tell your boys it's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. Ooh, you can't keep your hands on me. Touch me right there. Rock my body. I can't keep my hands off you. Your body, it's my party. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's a party. Let's get it started.
Okay, here we are 2 days later. I let my hair air dry and it literally took about 2 days. I wasn't doing anything anyway. So before I take this out, I need my hair oil. This one is just from Prose, personalized for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my scalp, and then I'm going to put a little on the tip of my fingers so that when I take each rod out, it's going to have some of the oil to hydrate some of the curls. Just a little on my fingers. All right, let's take one out and see. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh, this is, honey, sis. This looks so good. Okay, oh my God. Okay, it'd be one that's just going the other way, but. So I'm going to start from the back. I have some oil on my hands, that's why I'm smoothing it a little bit. And then I'm just going to start plucking it out. I'm always nervous to pluck this kind of style out because you just never know how it's going to look. Okay, this was worth sleeping in rollers for 2 days, you know.
Definitely.
Because it's a headache doing that. I prefer air dried than sitting under the dryer, honestly, because I hate sitting under the dryer.
I can do it slow now. Tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down. You should turn it off. Cause tonight is going down. Tell your boys it's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. Ooh, you can't keep your hands on.
So this came out way better than I expected. Oh my God, this volume has some shine to it. It has a little bit of frizz, but it's expected when, you know, you're trying to fluff your hair out. It's gonna have some friction that causes a little frizz, but I really don't mind the frizz because it still has a lot of definition. This will probably last for maybe 3 to 4 days. After it gets a bit like limpy, I can just put it up in a ponytail or something, but I love it. Show you a back view. So I fluffed the roots out with this pick. Give it, you know, more volume. I also went and fluffed a little bit out as well. That will cause a little frizz. You don't have to do that. Like if you want it to be defined, but you know, in order, kind of look neat, then I would suggest not doing this step. But if you don't mind the frizz and you want a little more fluff, then I say go for it. I love it. So let me know what you guys think. If you've used this size perm rod before, let me know if you do yours on wet or dry hair. Again, this was on dry stretched hair. And yeah, I love it. Bye.